Oh, damn. You guys, I know I'm terrifying right now and I'm sorry about it. I decided I was going to try something new. Charlotte Tilbury makes a dry mask. He suggests using it before you apply makeup because it makes your skin all glowy and moisturized. So that's what I'm doing. I kind of feel like it's not really doing anything. It just feels like a sheet of paper on your face. You massage it for 3 minutes. Massaging. Making me want to break out Friday the 13th and watch it. Wait a second. You guys, Friday the 13th is actually coming up. This is perfect. Couldn't have planned it better. I'm gonna take it off. My skin is moisturized. Apparently you're supposed to take some of it and spread it all over your lips too, so that's good. Also, great thing about this mask, you can use it 3 times. Just gonna fold this baby up and use it again. This packaging is perfect for this video. Can I tell you why? Guys, today we are doing a whole rose gold themed makeup look. If you don't like rose gold, I'm questioning who you are as a person. I'm drinking this dry rosé cider by Wolfer. Or wait, is it pronounced Wolfer? That feels wrong. I'm not gonna say it like that. You guys, if you're a white girl, you've already got this down. If you're not, just harness your inner white girl. You guys, I'm so excited. Kate the Great is doing a whole video where she drinks rosé, which is like the best wine. Duh. I'm gonna go and break out my favorite tank top. Rosé all day, bitches. Harness that person, but only harness them for like 30 seconds because they're really freaking annoying. The other reason I'm so excited about this video is because I'm doing a collaboration with my good friend, Chelsea Gary. I'm obsessed with her channel. I love her energy in her videos, so articulate. She's nailing these glamorous makeup looks, which I feel like are perfect for like a night out where you want to look cute and kind of glam. That's Chelsea Gary. She does a lot of makeup videos, but she also does videos about fashion. She does chit chat videos where she talks about her life, which I think is really cool because sometimes you just need someone to relate to. She uses her channel as a way to connect with other women and lift women up. Isn't that so important? Now more than ever. I've included a link underneath this video to her video. She's also done her own take on a rose gold look. You absolutely need to check it out. If you don't, I will be mad at you. Anyway, moving on. When I think of rose gold, I think of luxe, think of sexy, just looking like a goddess. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna look like rose gold goddesses. Are you ready? Obviously, you don't have to use the mask. You can just moisturize your face. I'm so excited to share an entirely new way to apply foundation. Basically, has changed my life in the last week. Learned it from Wayne Goss, who is a brilliant makeup artist. I'm gonna show it to you right now. I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. I have a lot of Charlotte Tilbury in this makeup routine today. She just makes such quality products. It's all about that luxe feeling, even down to the packaging. It's meant to be used as a primer if you want to, and it gives your skin this incredible glow. I mean, already look what's happening. Get ready because I'm gonna blow your mind. We are going to set our face with setting powder. You're like, what the hell are you talking about, Kate, you crazy bitch? What the powder is going to do is it's going to act as a barrier that actually holds that moisture in that you just put on your face. And I'm using my Cover FX translucent powder. I am using something a little mattifying just because our entire look is so very glowy. Hey, Mr. Pimple, what's up? Now we're gonna apply our foundation. I'm gonna apply a very sheer, natural foundation over this. This is a Charlotte Tilbury Light Wonder. Go ahead and apply that with our Beauty Blender. Just a friendly reminder, Beauty Blenders are meant to be used damp. It's going to give you that flawless application. We're gonna go in with our concealer. Going back to it again and again, the Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline. Oh, and how perfect, this is made in the Hamptons. This video is so luxe, it's out of hand. We're gonna go in with a cream blush. Stila Convertible Colored Dual Lip and Cheek Cream in Gerbera. This is like a gorgeous pinky coral color, blending it in with the warmth of our fingers. But after each step, I would say wait 1 to 2 minutes and just let the product sink into your skin. Another thing I love about Chelsea Gary, she's a wine drinker. She even has videos about her favorite wines. This is a woman after my own heart. We're gonna go in with our Glossier Haloscope in Quartz. It's a cream stick and I'm actually just going to put it right on my fingers. I do feel like this is the most natural product out there that gives you a highlight but looks like skin at the same time. Gorgeous. Actually kind of feeling like that looks like a sexy mole, am I wrong? I'm gonna go back in with our Cover FX and just hit those spots that we don't want to be super shiny. Next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and do our eyes using that Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and use the shade Tempura as my base shade. I'm gonna go in with my favorite transition shade, which is MAC in Malt. You guys, I saw Red Sparrow the other day. Have you seen it? Could Jennifer Lawrence look more perfect? I mean, what's even happening? It almost makes me angry. I have had a short pixie haircut since the age of 17. I came straight home and tried to figure out how to get hair down to my ass and Barbie bangs down to here. I came to my senses, don't worry, but still. But also this brings up another point. I can't even go to the movies anymore because everyone is just a jackass. Everyone is flapping their yappers and I'm sick of it. Get off your phone. Stop texting people, walking in late and using your bright ass light to find your seat. Do not ask me to move in a seat because you've come in late. Nope. Nope. I'm gonna go in with this Colourpop shade. It's called Brady. It's a dusty rose color. This is my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Liner in 0 down to the nub. Just want to add more oomph to our lashes when we put the mascara on. Next thing I'm doing is going in with my nude sticks in shimmer. This is literally just a gold shimmer. Go ahead and curl our lashes. I'm gonna use our Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes. I'm gonna go back in with that base shade and I'm just going to use my favorite little trick, put it right under my lash line. This is going to help the mascara from migrating under your eye. I've also finally committed to watching The Godfather. I honestly feel like I put on 5 pounds watching the first 2 movies. Hashtag food porn. Can we just talk about Robert De Niro in the second movie? That man is living in Italy and downing pots of pasta every night and he's giving me cheekbones for days. Is that really supposed to be realistic? Because it's not. Pausing the movie at midnight deciding that I need to make a random pot of Alfredo. Just saying I'm not feeling my featheriest right now, so. We're done with our eyes. No, we're not done with our eyes. Shit, getting a little buzzed. This is my favorite highlighter of all time. I have made a commitment to try other highlighters and you know what? They all pale in comparison and I don't know what to tell you. This is the MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in Soft and Gentle. Dab my finger in it and then I'm going to, probably should have done this before I did my mascara. This was dumb. It's gonna give me that gorgeous rose gold situation. Go in with my all-time favorite brow product, which is Glossier Boy Brow. This Charlotte Tilbury blush, I'm telling you right now, is called Cheek to Chic. Charlotte, you're so clever. This is the color Ecstasy, which is a beautiful pinky peach again. Go back in with that MAC Soft and Gentle, and we're gonna hit our cheekbone. Nice little C shape here. The Cupid's bow. Boop. You can always go back in with your beauty blender and kind of lightly just tap that highlighter so that it really sinks into the skin and there are no hard edges. You guys know how I feel about Colourpop's Luxe lipstick line. This is the color Still Crazy, this gorgeous rosy mauve color. I think it's honestly perfect for all skin tones, also $7. What's happening? I'm gonna go that far and then I'm gonna diffuse the rest of it with my finger. Diffuse lip is my favorite lip look, hands down. I'm gonna go in with my Buxom in Celeste. They're these beautiful peachy gold shimmers. We're gonna go back in with that Mineralize Skin Finish, get that Cupid's bow, drive that baby home. I mean, look at that rose gold glow. Go out there and be a rose gold goddess. Also, click the link below to see Chelsea Gary's version of a rose gold goddess look. Pretty sure she's gonna kill it, so bye. Oh, there's none left. All right.